Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing some fantastic tea recipes that can help lower creatinine levels and improve our kidney health. Are you ready to learn simple yet effective steps to support your kidney health? Let's get started. First, let's briefly discuss what creatinine is and why it's important. Creatinine is a waste product used in energy production by our muscles, and it's filtered out of the body through urine by our kidneys. High creatinine levels can be a sign that the kidneys are not functioning properly. To protect our kidney health and maintain balanced creatinine levels, we can turn to natural methods. Now, let's take a look at some great teas you can consume to support kidney health and lower creatinine levels. 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help cleanse your kidneys. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins. These compounds reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys, prevent inflammation, and support kidney function. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily can contribute to your kidney health. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Ginger contains active compounds such as gingerol and chagal. These compounds can reduce inflammation in the kidneys and lower creatinine levels. Additionally, ginger tea aids digestion and soothes the stomach, positively impacting overall health. 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known for its relaxing properties and can help improve kidney function. Chamomile contains flavonoids and antioxidants. These compounds protect kidney cells from free radicals and promote more efficient kidney function. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea daily not only improves sleep quality but also supports your kidneys. 4. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea can help cleanse your kidneys and lower creatinine levels. Hibiscus has natural diuretic properties, encouraging the kidneys to produce more urine, which helps eliminate toxins from the body. It also has a blood pressure regulating effect, indirectly supporting kidney health. Drinking a cup of hibiscus tea daily can contribute to the cleansing of your kidneys. 5. Nettle tea. Nettle tea can help cleanse the kidneys and lower creatinine levels. Nettle has diuretic properties, encouraging the kidneys to produce more urine, which helps eliminate toxins from the body. It also has anti-inflammatory effects that can reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Tea recipes and usage. Preparing these teas is quite simple. Here are a few easy recipes. 1. Green tea recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves to hot water and steep for 3 to 5 minutes, then strain and enjoy. 2. Ginger tea recipe. Add fresh ginger slices to hot water and steep for 10 minutes. You can sweeten with honey. 3. Chamomile tea recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers to hot water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm. 4. Hibiscus tea recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus flowers to hot water and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and drink hot or cold. 5. Nettle tea recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves to hot water and steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm. I hope this information and these recipes help you protect your kidney health. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends who want to live a healthy life. See you in the next video. Goodbye.